Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting into a playable state. Load or create a save and pause the game immediately so nothing advances unexpectedly. Once done, press the console key, usually tilde or assigned key, to open the prompt and make sure debug mode is enabled if required. You should have common commands listed nearby: tag, add political power, research on icon, focus. Unlock all. This saves time. Use short commands first to confirm the console works before running complex scripts. Now you execute core operations. Switch nations with tag country tag to manage another country directly, and then run add political power 100 to test resource injection. Once confirmed, use add equipment and instant build to give factories or gear. Run research on icon to unlock tech instantly. Be deliberate. Enter one command at a time, observe results, and wait for the game response. This prevents conflicts. If scripting multiple commands, separate with semicolons or use a bat file for automation, but test stepwise first. To finish, save your game under a new file name so you preserve the original state. This is a quick rollback option. Once done, return control with tag your original tag or reload the prior save if something went wrong. If commands fail, check syntax for missing underscores or wrong tags, then restart the game. Many issues are mod conflicts or incorrect console mode. One key troubleshooting tip: test each command solo and make a backup save before running multiple or invasive commands to avoid irreversible state changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.